going to Lake Havasu. Never been before. This is gonna be awesome. If you notice, we kind of got an upgrade here. We got a different van. We'll go into details on that later. Also a better camera. So this will be cool.
Can't say it on camera.
Beach. Sorry for those cabanas. Across from all that crap. I mean, we're not gonna go that far, so.
Just sit down. She was trying to figure out a way to get to me, and then she's like, I'll just sit down.
Get a picture. The tongue is semi-out. She's almost complacent. You die without chapstick.
I think I would. Especially in the summer.
Or when it's windy like this.
I used to get it all the time. Sometimes I would get the quadruple lip, where I had it down here and here. I would. The last time was when I was a freshman at Taft, and it was so embarrassing because I was walking to school from my house, and it was cold, and it was in the winter. You know, the wind?
Yeah.
And oh my God, it was so embarrassing. I was like, never again is that going to happen, and I have not had it happen since. It was so embarrassing. What's wrong with your lips? No, come here. JoJo. Come here. Come. JoJo. four-wheelers?
I don't know.
You sure do like to get in the way a lot today.
It's cool to me. So this is the London Bridge. Supposedly this was actually being decommissioned in London, and some rich dude decided to buy it at auction for like $450,000, and then had it shipped brick by brick, had it resurrected here, and then they had to dredge it out so they can let boats pass underneath it. Really cool. I like that you're hunched over like you have to be.
I know.
You can stand up.
I know. I'm used to it. What happened? I'm gonna wrap her in a towel and hold her. Is that what you want, baby?
Oil
You got
baths?
stung or something? something happened to her. Not yet. It's still cooking. You think that's done enough for you?
Yeah. What? Yes, ma'am.